Paige Gyro from Lifomic here. Today I want to introduce you to our Circles tab and our Feed tab and how you can filter your feed by the circle. So you can see I have a range of different circles here. I have one for my family members, and then I also have one called Life Learners that anyone can join if they message me to just meet new people in life if they don't currently have anyone who can fast with them. I own the Life Learners circle, so if I click on that one, I can invite new people to the circle through text or email, for example, and they will get a link that they can use to join the circle. I can also edit the circle. For example, I can add a new picture by clicking the bubble and adding one from my camera or something that's already on my phone. I can also delete it or rename it. Now, if I go to my Feed tab from here, I can filter my feed by different circles. So for example, if I click the feed, I can go to the top right corner and filter to a different circle. So I can go to the Life Learners circle and only see updates from people in that circle. So you can see my updates are here, and then I also see who else has completed a fast recently and how they're feeling, only again for this circle. So let's say I go to Eli's recent fast, because I think that's awesome that he completed a 17-hour fast. I can send him some encouragement, so maybe send some emojis, clap for him, and post those. If I go back to my feed, I can also send custom updates, so I can write some text in there, congratulate someone for a job well done. So I might want to send one of my friends, good job for completing your first 24-hour fast, for example, and send him a custom update. That's it for now. That's how to filter your feed by different circles. Let us know if you have any other questions about your feed or the Circles tab, and we'll be happy to answer.